So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Gina Life here in Philippines. So for today's video is I'm about to go into the cemetery because today it's my mom's birthday. So we need to visit mom's cemetery because we miss her so much, and we're planning to go to my family in there to visit my mom because this is the special day to her. Even she's not here in the world already, she's passed away. So let's go. So while waiting, my brother, me and Simon, my little brother Simon, are starting walking here in the way to go to the road because she is dropping by my big sister in her house to get some clothes and waiting his husband. So as you can see my background, yeah, it's easy. It's a little bit exercise. You're walking from there, from the house, and this road. I'm here. Hi Simon. Yeah, Simon is his call today, and I get him to go to the cemetery, visit mom. Okay. This is the road to go to cemetery, and this is my hometown. Hey! Ano kami na, Simon? Una ka. You go first and I follow you. Watch your way because there's a lot of cars and motorbikes. This tricycle, so noisy. So now guys, we're going na. Kali na, Simon. Simon. We're going to cemetery. Visit my mom's cave. Yes, let's go. Move faster because it's almost night. Right now guys, it's 5:35 p.m. So we're being in a hurry because it's almost dark. I will let you know guys when we are riding there. Okay. So guys, right now we are here in the cemetery. Simon. Oh, that's crazy, man. And yeah, that's his UCCP Memorial Park, Valencia Negros Oriental. That's a private cemetery, and this one is a public cemetery. This area. So I go there to buy some flowers and candle for me. Can you please hold my phone? So guys, I'm going to buy flowers and a candle and the light. Lighter. Okay lang. 50 pesos. Okay, candle. 5. How much is this? 50. Okay, this one. And I think this one, right? You want to buy some candle for mama? I took this one. Pwede mo borrow ko? So we were going inside and bring these flowers to my mom. Oh yes. I think Simon already have it. Thank you. Yeah, so this is the view inside, as you can see. This is the view. This is the public cemetery. See, a shop. This one is a little church for you having a mass, and you give some donations for this. By the way, I am Roman Catholic, guys. Simon! So guys, this is the area where my mom put it in and make a cave for her. So my mom's is this side, so I need to use a ladder to put the flowers in her and also the candle. So this is the ladder, and it's very heavy. Give me the candle and the light.
Eh?
Yes.
Ganda.
This one is yours and yours.
Huh?
And give me this one. Okay, so I'm about to climb this ladder, put the flowers in the candle to my mom, and say happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday. Is this safe? Do you think? Maybe I'm getting filled up.
Yeah.
Ah, because there's a rain. So oh my god, I'm so scared, but yeah, this is for my mom. I have a strong thing, so I open like this. Mom, ulan din. Wait, how can I make a light? There's a rain and it's so windy here. See? What? It's not working. There's a rain. It's not working. So maybe tomorrow we come back here. Tomorrow. It's raining. It's raining, guys. So this isn't gonna work. Where's the?
Halite.
It's raining na. Ikaw na. Happy birthday, mama.
So it's raining outside, so I decided to go this place and make a light and pray for my mom's birthday together with my siblings. So you can see that, and it's so windy outside, so it's good here to make a light with a candle. And that's the view. Where's my mom's cave place? I will show you that one with the flowers. I put it there earlier. And yeah, this is the cemetery, Catholic cemetery. That's the candle made, and that's the other man. And we're going back home because it's raining and it's so windy because there's another typhoon again. And that's for today's life update. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and share and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy my video today, and greetings for my mom's birthday. Thank you so much, and God bless you.